Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm here to show you how to field strip your Walther PPQ 40 Smith & Wesson. Now, before we take apart any firearm, we need to double check, make sure the firearm isn't loaded. So we're gonna pick the firearm up, point in state direction. We're gonna drop that magazine, set it to the side, double check the chamber, and the magazine well are both clear, and we're good to proceed. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull that slide back and let go. From here, we're gonna pull this tab down from both sides, pull the trigger, and the slide is now gonna freely slide off of the frame. Now, as far as we're gonna deal with the frame, with the field strip, so set that to the side. We're gonna take a spring and spring guide. We're gonna compress that just a little bit, pull that up, and take that out and set it to the side. Now with the barrel, we're gonna push that up and out, set that to the side, and then we have the slide itself. From here, you can do any type of cleaning and or maintenance that you may need to do to your Walther PPQ. Now getting back into the reassembly, we're gonna do the same thing we did to take it apart, but in reverse. We're gonna drop that barrel in, upside down, muzzle first. We're gonna take that spring and spring guide. We're gonna take in this way, well, at least the way it's colored on this one, the black end and the blue end. All right, the black end is gonna insert into the muzzle end of the slide, compress the blue end down, it's gonna get caught inside there. Now we're gonna introduce the slide to the frame. All right, we're gonna have these rails on top. They start about a third of the way back. We're gonna insert that into the back of the PPQ slide. We're gonna pull that all the way back and let go. Now from there, the firearm has been disassembled and reassembled, but now we're gonna do a functions check to make sure that we put it back together properly. So, point in the same direction, we're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger and let go. We're gonna pull the slide back and let go. And we're gonna repeat that one more time. Pull the trigger, let go, pull the slide back, and let go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the trigger and hold it to the rear. Hold it to the rear, we're gonna go ahead and pull that slide back, let go, and now we're gonna release the trigger just until we hear and feel that click. Once we hear that, we can go ahead and pull the trigger again, and we can go ahead and pull that slide back and let go again. And now we're gonna release the trigger all the way and let go. For more videos on how to field strip and reassemble your firearm, go to our channel on YouTube, PTPGun.com Firearms Training, and hit the subscribe button as we post new Field Stripping Friday videos each and every Friday. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.